Hi, I'm Alex and I'm going to teach you how I make TikTok cartoons. I use an iPad, an Apple Pencil, and an app called Flipperclip. Start a new project, name it. I use 15 frames per second. TikTok videos use a ratio of 9:16 and Flipperclip has a handy preset. To get TikTok audio, I just record it straight from the app and replace it later either in editing software or when I come to upload. Name your layers, select the pencil, and get to work. For this, I'm referencing an actual dance trend, so that's a lot of help. You want to be able to make animated TikToks as quickly as possible, so I use smears a lot.
Once more, 5, 6, do it!
Animation is a very time-consuming process of drawing the same thing over and over again, so you've got to be patient and a tiny bit mad, but it's very rewarding. If you're just starting out, I recommend the bouncing ball exercise or some simple shape morphs. Be patient and read books. Make a new layer, call it line art, and start working with the pen tool. Make sure you close off all your lines as you do it. Duplicate the line art layer and rename it line and color. Select the paint bucket tool and color your character. Do this for every frame. I then use another app called Procreate, draw a simple background and apply it as a background in my animation. And that's it, it's ready to upload. Hope this helped.
How to animate? I get a lot of requests for an animation tutorial. I should start with the basics, but I know you all want to know about smears. Smears! God's unholy invention. Smears are an elongated and stretched in-between frame between two keyframes to show fast movement, because in real life something appears as a blur when it's moving fast. Animation has historically always been very time-consuming, and smears are a great way of speeding up the process. They also look hilarious. Let's say you have a character and you want to animate them waving. Like this. First, draw your beginning and end frames. Here's where it starts and here's where it finishes. The smear will be the in-between frame between these two frames. To draw it, imagine the arm is being dragged and leaving a big blurry shape in its wake. It can be as wild and abstract as you want, jagged or maybe a big smooth sweep. Try out different things and see what works for you. Why did I start animating? I guess you could say I was drawn to it. I then do another going back in the other direction to the first keyframe. Depending on how you've drawn the smear, you can just repeat the first one for both movements. This saves you even more time. And that's it. That's how you do smears. Now behold, my magnum opus.